Check out this waterproof enclosure box from Durabox. This is the 49-inch long by 12-inch across and 5-inch tall uh, version of this box. They do make a couple other sizes, maybe one a little bit smaller and one a little bit larger for various purposes. I didn't purchase this box for the reason that they're designed for, at least in the product description. I decided to use it as basically a tool storage box on top of this roof rack. What I was looking for was something that was waterproof, and that in fact is what it is. It's got this nice hard plastic case. You can see how I've kind of got it laid out here. It did have some like egg carton foam up on top. It had a big block of foam in the middle where you could remove the various squares, and then a thin one, which is still at the bottom here. I'll show it in a second. Maybe a 1/4 inch thick of foam at the bottom. As you can see, this piece of rubber that goes around the entire edge of the enclosure box, that's to keep that waterproof feature. And then this piece of the top here just lands right in that rubber. When you lock down these attachment points, it does seal it entirely so that no water gets in. And I will tell you that this trailer has been rained on several times, very bad storms, and nothing inside got wet, which is awesome. I was a little bit fearful because I did drill holes in the bottom. That's how I mounted it to these T-slot brackets on my mount. So they did create a hole, but I did put like a rubber washer on there to try to prevent any water from coming into the bottom. Extra supplies and tools and camping gear up here. I've got enough room for a small set of tools, some drinking water things, some other things that are related to camping, and my air compressor fits in this as well. I did have to remove some of that egg-shaped foam up on top to be able to get the air compressor to stay in there, but I'm really happy with this storage compartment altogether. It makes for a nice, slender, low-profile enclosure box for the top of this trailer. One of the additional features as well, it does have a hole right here. I just put a small master lock on here to just keep it as safe as I can, I guess. But again, it's completely waterproof. No water gets in here whatsoever. It does have a handle on it. I'm not using it like that because I'm not carrying it anyway, but it does work just fine. Overall, I'm very happy with the product. It's held up in all kinds of weather.